Understanding the weather. So today we are going to do short answer questions, and I have covered 20 important short answer questions from the topic. So let us start. Questions are also there and the answer is also there, right? So first one is, what is weather? And the answer is, weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It includes elements like temperature, rainfall, wind and humidity. So weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time, right? And it includes elements like temperature, rainfall, wind and humidity. So this is the answer. What are the main elements of weather? The main elements of weather are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind and atmospheric pressure. Next question is, how is weather different from climate? So weather changes daily and affects a small area, while climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period, usually 30 years or more. So weather changes daily and affects a small area, that is weather, while climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period, usually 30 years or more. Okay, so this is the difference between weather and climate. Next question is, what instrument is used to measure temperature? So a thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Next is, what is humidity? Humidity is the amount of moisture or water vapor present in the air. Next, what causes changes in weather? Weather changes due to changes in temperature, pressure, humidity and the movement of air masses. So when there is a change in the temperature, pressure, humidity and the movement of air masses, the weather changes, right? Next, question number 7. What is a weather report? So a weather report provides information about the atmospheric conditions of a place for a specific time, usually shown on TV, radio or in newspaper. So that is a weather report that will provide the information about the atmospheric condition of a place for a specific time. Next, who studies and forecasts the weather? Meteorologists study and forecast the weather. Next question is, why is it important to know the weather forecast? Weather forecast help people to plan their weather conditions like storms or heavy rainfall. Okay, so weather help to just know the people about their planning also as per the weather condition. It may be stormy, the weather may be stormy or the heavy rainfall will be there. So it helps the people to plan according to the weather condition. So they can plan their day. What is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the weight of the air above the Earth's surface. It affects wind and weather pattern. So it is the weight of the air above the Earth's surface, right? Next, what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period, typically 30 years or more. Next, what is precipitation? So precipitation is any form of water falling from the atmosphere to the Earth's surface, such as rain, snow or hail. Next question is, name the instrument used to measure rainfall. So rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. Okay, so rainfall is measured using a rain gauge. Then how does wind affect the weather? Wind helps to distribute heat and moisture in the atmosphere and affecting temperature and precipitation pattern. So what happened? Wind helped to just distribute the heat and moisture in the atmosphere and it affects the temperature and precipitation pattern. What is the role of the sun in controlling weather? The sun provides heat energy that influences temperature, wind, evaporation and precipitation, all of which determine the weather. So in this way, the sun provides the heat energy and further influence the temperature, wind and evaporation. Next question is, what is the importance of the atmosphere in weather formation? The atmosphere contains air, water, vapor and dust particles which interact with the sun's heat to produce different weather conditions. Okay, so in this way, the atmosphere just help in weather formation. Next question is, what do we call a person who studies the weather? And the answer is, a person who studies weather is called meteorologist. Next question is, how does temperature vary from place to place? Temperature varies due to altitude, latitude, distance from the sea, and the presence of mountain or forest. Okay, so this is about the temperature. Next question. So what is monsoon? A monsoon is a seasonal wind that brings heavy rainfall, especially in South Asia during summer. So that is a seasonal wind. And last question is, what is the difference between hot and cold weather? So hot weather occurs when temperatures are high, usually in summer, while cold weather has low temperatures, usually in winter. So these are the 20 important short answer questions from the topic understanding the weather. I hope this may help you while just writing your question answers also. So this much for today.